The number one silent mistake that destroys your teen's trust in you. Most parents don't realize this, but there's one silent mistake that destroys your teen's trust faster than anything else. And here it is. You ready for it? Brace yourself, because you've probably done it, but it's okay. We can do whatever we need to do to change whatever we need to change. So hang in there. What it is it's called constant correction. When every conversation turns into a lecture, a judgment, or you should have done it this way, your teen hears one thing. They hear, "You don't believe in me." But that's just the surface level. At the deeper level, every correction reinforces the two deepest fears that every human being carries with them, whether we admit it or not. Number one is, I'm not enough. I'm not smart enough. I'm not good enough. I'm not big enough. I'm not good looking enough. Whatever it is, it's this fear of I'm not enough. And number two is I won't be loved. Because that's how that fear works. Number one is I'm not enough. And if I'm not enough in whatever my not enoughness thing is, then of course I'm not going to be loved fully because I'm not enough, right? So every time you correct your child, you're not just chipping away at trust. You're touching the deepest fears that shape their identity for life. And when they feel that, their guard goes up. They pull away and they will not trust you. Okay? Trust disappears. So parents ask me, well then, Joshua, if I shouldn't correct them, what do I do about the important things that I know as their parent that they shouldn't be doing? That's another video. It's coming soon, I promise. So hold your horses, make sure you follow me, and you'll be the first to see it. But don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere yet, okay? Because I've still got more to share. Here's what to do instead of constant correction. Step one, catch yourself. Notice when you're about to correct or criticize or give another mini lecture. Pause, right? Breathe, put yourself in a great state. Put yourself in a really good state. Whether that means you just feel beautiful, and that's great, right? Or you just feel like you just feel really productive, or you just feel at peace, or just at calm, just in calm. Just put yourself in a great state. Okay, that's step number one. Step two is choose curiosity instead of, why didn't you clean your room yet? Say, what's one thing you wish I understood better about you? It's a totally different question, and it's going to get a totally different response. And even if they don't respond and they just ignore you and walk away, it's that kind of question is going to stick with them, and unconsciously they're going to start to warm to you. They're going to think about that a little bit. It's going to stick in their mind because it has to do with their deepest needs, their deepest human needs, and we all have them. Change the question, change your life really as a parent. Okay, that's what it means. So step three, that's step two. Step three is acknowledge one thing right about them. Not chores, not tasks, something universal and human that makes your teen feel seen and significant, no matter what. Okay? I've just got a bug flying around here, and I'm trying to get it out of my face. Like for example, I love how creative you are, or you always bounce back, even after tough days, or I just like being around you. Right? These are things that are going to build massive deposits of trust and good energy. And energy is the game. Energy is it. It's the way to truly get through and get what you really desire and deserve as a parent. Okay. That single moment tells your teen, I see you, I value you, you matter. But we say those things without having to say them out loud, right? And it's so powerful. And when your teen feels that, trust begins to rebuild. Parents I coach say this one shift changes the whole atmosphere at home. So tonight, before you speak, catch yourself. Ask with curiosity and acknowledge one thing right. Follow me now so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll show you how to turn these trust deposits and this good energy that you're making and building into an influence that lasts, that actually lasts. And if you want me to start helping you for free, right? If you want me to start helping you for free, send me a DM, a direct message, right now, while it's front of mind, okay? I'll personally get back to you. Have a great night or a great day wherever you are. And you have got this. You can do this, okay? I'd love to hear from you, and I'll speak to you in the next video.